Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will do two material balance problems from GATE 2016 papers. Okay, so in this video we will do two questions, that is 37 and 39th question of GATE 2016 paper. Okay, so this is basically material balance problem. So the first question is direct reduced iron DRI produced from a gas based process contains Fe, FeO and carbon and remainder being gang. Okay, so the chemical composition of DRI they have given, that is total Fe and metallic Fe they have given, the weight percent of FeO in DRI they are asking. Okay, so first of all you should understand that what is DRI. Okay, so this DRI is basically direct reduced iron and we can produce by many routes. Many processes are there for production of DRI, and DRI the product is also known as sponge iron. You must have heard about these things. So sponge iron or solid iron. Okay, so this is produced through the coal based, and other one is gas based process. Okay, so in this question they are asking that direct reduced iron produced from gas based process. Okay, so they have used some gases and produced DRI. So also they are given the chemistry of this DRI. Okay, so whatever the DRI we are producing. Okay, so this is basically all Fe, DRI, Fe, direct reduced iron. Okay, so these DRI, this total DRI basically contains two things, like one is Fe and other one is Fe in compound form. Okay, so this is this is metallic Fe or free Fe, and this is Fe in compound form. Okay, so what we will do, we will write like that: total Fe in DRI, total Fe in DRI is equals to metallic Fe. Okay, metallic Fe in DRI. So for doing material balance type of questions, you must have cleared your theory part. Okay, so metallic Fe in DRI plus Fe in FeO. Okay, in DRI. So this is all Fe. So here is the chemistry they have given, that is total Fe. Total Fe is 92 weight percent. I am writing here in weight percent also. Okay, so metallic Fe they have given 84 weight percent. So what is rest? Rest is Fe in FeO form. Okay, so this DRI contains some Fe in compound form, and that compound is FeO. So suppose if we know weight of Fe or weight of Fe in DRI, so we can calculate the weight of FeO in DRI also. So in this question they are asking the weight percent of FeO in DRI. Okay, so from here what we can calculate, we can calculate Fe in FeO like that, 92 minus 84. So this will come like that, 8 weight percent. Okay, so this is the first part we have done with. Okay, so this is the, and this is 8% Fe in FeO. Okay, but we need to calculate the weight percent of FeO. So we know a simple equation of mole valence. Okay, so if we know Fe, so Fe will react with half O2 or O oxygen, and that will produce FeO. So one Fe is producing one FeO, means 56 Fe producing FeO. This is molecular weight of this FeO is 72. So this 56 FeO producing 72 FeO. This 56 Fe will produce 72 Fe. So one will produce 72 by 56. Okay, so what we are having, we are having 8 weight percent, and we are calculating here for one. Okay, so if we are having 8 weight percent, then how much Fe we can produce, FeO we can produce in DRI. So FeO in DRI, how we can calculate? FeO in DRI is equals to that 72 by 56. 72 by 56, this is for one. And if we are having 8 weight percent in 8 weight percent of Fe in FeO, then the weight percent of FeO will be 72 by 56 into 8, means that will be equals to 10.28%. Okay, so we are not multiplying it by 100 or dividing by 100, because this is already in weight percent. Okay, so suppose if you know any of one thing, like suppose they are giving you Fe value, or they will ask FeO, like that they may ask, they will give FeO value, and they may ask Fe value also. Okay, so this is the this is just aptitude concept. Okay, so how we can approach, okay, so this is the main thing, this is the main concept behind this DRI. So you should remember that total Fe present in DRI is in the form of metallic Fe in DRI plus Fe in FeO form. Okay, so that is the base of this question. Okay, so this was very easy question, so the answer is 10.28. So the next question is, in BOF steel making, 5 metric ton of lime containing 90 weight percent of CaO is used to refine 100 metric ton of hot metal containing 93.2 weight percent of Fe. The slag produced during refining contains 40 weight percent of CaO and 20 weight percent of FeO. Neglecting material losses, the yield of Fe in percentage. Okay, so they are asking here yield. Yield means basically the recovery, means something we are having initial value, and after the process we get the final values. Okay, so they are asking like that, whatever the value is here, how much we are recovering here, so we need to calculate that recovery percent, that yield percent. Okay, so whatever that will go in waste, that will not come in yield. Okay, so whatever we will recover, they are asking. Okay, so the first thing is that people get confused with this metric ton. Okay, so metric ton is basically ton. Okay, so this ton is basically SI unit for weight calculation, and this metric ton is basically recommended by US government, that is USA government. So these both are same. Okay, so 1 ton or 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kg. Okay, so don't get confused with this metric ton or this ton, these both are same. Okay, so first of all, what we will do for this question, we will try to draw a process schematic. Okay, as I told you in previous questions also. Okay, so what we are having, we will read line by line and we will make a process flow. Okay, so we are having 5 metric ton, I am writing empty, 5 metric ton of lime, that is CaCO3, that contains 90 weight percent of Fe, 90 weight percent of this CaO. Okay, and this lime is basically used for refining 100 metric ton of hot metal, means this pig iron. Okay, so whatever pig iron is coming from blast furnace, we refine in BOF steel making, and we refine it by using CaO in this case. Okay, so lime, we are using lime, and in this hot metal 93.2 weight percent Fe is present. Okay, so what we will do, we will do one process and we will get the product. Okay, so product, they are asking, they are giving here that the slag produced during refining contains 40 weight percent. Okay, so suppose slag is producing and they are not giving the weight of slag, so I am assuming Ws. Okay, so here they have given weight of steel, that is 100 MT, here they have given the weight of lime 5 MT, but here they did not give the weight of slag. So I am assuming that this is Ws and Ws MT. Okay, suppose 100 something, 100 kg or 100 MT or 1000 MT it will be, and you can also suppose like that some unknown value like x kgs. Okay, so here unit is empty, here unit is empty, so here I am also using empty unit. Okay, so this slag contains basically two things, 40 weight percent of CaO and this 22 weight percent of FeO. Okay, okay, so here this is the process schematic basically. So this is very important to draw in exam also. Okay, so I will suggest you, please do material balance question in last or in beginning itself if you have sufficient confidence for solving this type of question. Okay, so two things are here, like CaO is here and Fe is here. Here in this case they have given slag, but they did not give the weight of slag. Okay, so we need to calculate that weight of slag, so that we will able to calculate this CaO in that slag and that FeO in that slag. Okay, so what we will do, we will first balance the CaO. Why? Because they are asking about the yield of that Fe. Okay, so suppose we are having 100 MT steel, and in this 100 MT we are having 93.2 weight percent, that is basically 93.2 MT hot metal, sorry, to 93.2 MT Fe in this hot metal. Okay, so whatever Fe that will go in this slag, we will subtract that value and we will get the recovered Fe. Okay, so that's why we need to calculate this slag weight. That's why if we will able to calculate this slag weight, we will able to calculate this Fe weight also. Okay, so I will show you how to calculate. So first what we will do, we will do CaO balance. Okay, so how we will do CaO in this side, only in this lime. Okay, so 5 empty lime contains 90 weight percent of this CaO, and this 5 into 90 by 100, okay, is equals to, so we don't have anywhere CO in this left hand side. Okay, so that's why we will jump to this side. So in this slag, suppose the weight of slag is Ws, and Ws in this Ws 40 weight percent of CO are there. Okay, so so the 40 by 100 is here. Okay, so from here we will able to calculate this Ws value. Okay, so this Ws will be equals to 11.25, and this is unit is MT. Okay, so we will get this Ws means weight of slag, that is 11.25 MT. Okay, so in this Ws, in this slag weight, we are having 22 weight percent of FeO. Okay, so weight percent of, how we can calculate weight of FeO? Weight of FeO we can calculate 11.25, that is weight of slag, multiplied by 22 weight percent of FeO in this slag. Okay, so we are calculating weight of FeO. So weight of FeO will be 2.475 MT. So this is weight of FeO, and here we are having Fe. This is not Fe, so we will try to calculate this Fe from this FeO. How? This FeO is basically Fe plus 1 by 2 O2. In previous question I have also given this equation, but in reverse form. Okay, so you need to balance that mole, as a mole balance. Okay, so this FeO means one FeO will give one Fe. So this 72 Fe will contain 56 Fe. So one FeO will contain 56 by 72. I will suggest you, whenever you are doing mole balance, please do like that. Okay, so this 56 by 72, but we are having 2.475 MT FeO. So this is for one, this is for one, this is for 1 MT. So we are having 2.475. What we will do, we will multiply. So weight of Fe, we will calculate weight of Fe, we can calculate, that is 56 by 72 multiplied by 2.475. Okay, so this is easy, this will be easy if you will do step by step. Okay, so first we will able to calculate this Ws, then we will do this weight percent of FeO, then we will calculate Fe in this FeO. Okay, so the Fe in this FeO, how we can calculate? We can calculate by mole balancing. Okay, so from here we will get 1.925 MT Fe. Okay, so this Fe is basically in final content. This is final content of Fe. Okay, and what is the initial content? Initial content of Fe is here. Okay, so what we will do, we need to calculate the yield, that is yield of Fe in percentage. So what we will do, we will write like that: initial Fe minus final Fe divided initial Fe. Okay, so this is also aptitude type of question, and we need to calculate in percentage. That's why we will multiply it by 100. Okay, so this is different thing. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll put the values here. So initial value is 93.2 and final value is 1.925. Then we will again put 93.2 multiplied by 100. Okay, so from here we will able to calculate, it is approx 97.9%. Okay, so this is the answer. So you know, now you understood that how to calculate the how to do this this material balance type of questions. First we will do we will draw the process flow schematic. Okay, then after that, after this schematic, we will try to balance whatever will be easy for us and whatever is needed for us. Okay, so what we do, we first balance the CO and we calculated this Ws weight. Then what we did, we calculated this FeO in this slag. Okay, so so that we will able to calculate what Fe is going into that slag. Okay, so so after calculation of this FeO, we calculated the weight percent of Fe in this FeO also. Okay, so now finally we applied the formula: yield is equals to initial minus final by initial into 100, and then we have to calculate this 97.9. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have learned something new in this video. If you have any problem regarding this question, you may directly contact us on Instagram page. And also, if you have any problem in material balance type of questions, you may send these questions. We will try to add those questions in our upcoming videos. Thank you.